Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to the channel. Many people have issues with connecting their laser to their Mac computer. And I think sometimes it's because of the poor quality cables, USB cables that get included with the lasers. But it may be that the Mac operating system just isn't seeing it. It may be an issue where the laser is operating at USB 2.0 and the Mac is operating at 3 or 3.1, and they just don't communicate well. A lot of people have found if you use a dumb hub in line, it solves the issue. But nevertheless, I don't have the answers for what causes the connection issues, but I am going to show you how to diagnose if Mac OS is actually seeing the connection or not. So let's jump into my Mac and I'll show you how you can tell if it's actually connecting and seeing, and your Mac operating system is seeing the connection. So to verify your connection, first I'm looking in Lightburn and you see it's not there. We go to the Apple menu, About This Mac, click More Info, scroll down to the bottom and choose System Report. On the left click USB and you can see your three, in my case I have 3 USB ports on my MacBook, but there's nothing connected to any of them. So I've connected it, and you may or may not see that confirmation message depending on your privacy and security settings. Then we go to File, Refresh Information, and now we see Laser Master. And you look, the serial number is 123456. Go back to Lightburn, click on the drop down, USB modem 123456, select it, go to Console, verify that it's connected. Now we're going to do the same thing, but I put a USB 2.0 hub in line. So Apple menu, About This Mac, More Info, scroll down to System Report, click on USB, and now you see the USB 2.0 hub plugged into that serial port. We go up, plug in the laser to the hub, and then we go up to System Information, Refresh, File Refresh. And once again, now you see Laser Master is connected to the hub. And same serial number there, 123456. Back in Lightburn, bring it up, click on it, go to Console, and verify the connection. So there's how you can at least tell if Mac OS is seeing the connection for you or not. I have not had these connection issues with my MacBook and the 2 diode lasers that I have. And my CO2 laser I connect via Ethernet, so that's never a problem. But so I don't know if it's because of the particular cheap USB 3 to 2 adapters I'm using for my MacBook, because that's how I did the first connection, was just through that adapter. And then I do have this El Cheapo USB 2.0 dumb hub that I've tried as well, but like I say, I haven't personally experienced the issues because mine has connected every time. So I will leave links to those items down in the description if you want to check them out and try them for yourself. You know, they're not expensive. If the Mac does not find the connection, Lightburn will never find the connection. One other thing that came to mind as I was editing this together was that these little USB-C adapters and my MacBook, I don't know if they're all this way, but on my MacBook in particular, when I insert this, I have to push it in and then give it a little extra push until it makes a physical click, because it doesn't connect until it's all the way pushed in. And it's happened to me more than one occasion that I've not been able to connect to something like a flash drive, and I put the flash drive into the adapter and I stick it in the computer and it doesn't read it until I give it that little extra click, and then it connects. So that may be another thing to look at, is just make sure that you do have the adapter or the cable fully inserted into your MacBook. The only other piece of advice I have is maybe if you can borrow a PC from someone and see if you can connect with a PC. That way you can eliminate the control board on the laser or anything along those lines, or a bad cable. And the cable may function on one computer and not on another, just because of the differences in how the USB protocol works there. I'm not a computer scientist. I don't have those answers. I just know what I've seen in real life experience. So hope you find this helpful for you. Like the video. Give me a comment. Let me know what's worked for you in connecting, when you had connection problems. Let me know if going this route at least helped you figure out whether or not it's connected. All right? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you next time.